Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. Today, we're going to make some cranberry sauce. Not the kind in a can that's all jellified. No. This is from cranberries. I've had it in the freezer. I got a good bargain on it last year, and I'm pulling it out, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own delicious cranberry sauce. First thing we have to do is put the cranberries in a saucepan, put in 3/4 cup of water, and we're going to bring it to a simmer. Just a word of warning, as the cranberries get hot and start to simmer, you will hear them pop. It's okay. They're not going to pop on you. It's just the cranberries splitting open from the heat. Hear them popping? That's a nice simmer. I can see they're starting to break down, so I'm going to add 1 and 3/4 cups of sugar. Now we're going to let these simmer for about 10 minutes. After they come to a boil, I'm going to turn the heat down, let them simmer for about 10 minutes, and they will be done. Okay, I've got a nice boil there. I've got my timer set for 10 minutes. I'm going to stay with it and just stir it occasionally. Okie doke, our cranberry sauce is done. You want to know where I got this recipe? I got it on the back of the cranberry label. Ta-da! There it is. Cranberry sauce. I've been using it for years. And guess what? After the holidays, all the cranberries, fresh ones, go on sale. These cost 99 cents. Okay, this is going to go in a canning jar, in a ball jar, and I'm going to store it in the fridge until I need to use it. There you go. Homemade cranberry sauce. Ditch the can and make your own cranberry sauce. Once you do this, it'll be hard to go back to the canned stuff. I'm just saying, okay? All right, I love you guys. You know I do. Thank you so much for joining me for Let's Make Some Food. I know this is a bit of a short video, but I mean, it doesn't take long to make cranberry sauce. It's good to have in your repertoire for the holidays. So I love you guys. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. Come back and see me. Talk to me in the comments and let me know what you think. All right. Love ya. Bye-bye.